大家好，我是阿良。今天我们要来政治大学找这次的阿兜仔老师，他目前就读于国际研究英语硕士学程。我们先来问问驻校经理他在哪里吧。请问 Kendra 在吗？
他现在应该在健身房吧？
谢谢。
会。
奇怪，这位阿兜仔老师读书不读书，没事跑去健身房是做什么广告？远远的有一个阿兜在那，不知道是不是我们要找的老师？请问你是 Kendra 吗？
No, this is her.
Hi, I'm Kendra and I'm from Belize. Today I'll be talking about Belize, Taiwan, our friendship with Taiwan, La Ruta Maya, and we'll have a small competition later, so stay tuned.
本节目由财团法人国际合作发展基金会制作播出。
这次我们节目来到了位于新北市芦洲区的三民高中，虽然是在市区里面，但是校园内大树林立，绿意盎然，如同一所森林学校啊！让我们这里很多金。学校近年来在国际教育、艺术人文、数位学习、体育专长、品格教育的成绩，可说是有目共睹。我们还听说三民高中的划船队获奖无数，所以我们的阿兜仔老师今天来上完课之后，要跟同学来场划船大 PK。我们就来看看到时候谁会得冠军吧。
Hi, so I've arrived at Samin Kaohsiung and I'll be a one-day teacher today, but I haven't had my breakfast yet, so I'll be taking it with me. Let's go! Yes?
Sorry, our school rule is no plastic bag into the campus.
I'm sorry, I'm new here. I'm the one-day teacher from Belize.
Oh, I see. You are the one-day teacher, right?
Yes.
Welcome to the Sami High School.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, I have to keep the plastic bag first.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, I lead you to the principal office. Please
Okay, thank you.
Principal, the one-day teacher is coming.
Hi. You must be Kendra.
Yes, nice
Very
to meet
nice
you.
to meet you. Yeah.
Nice to meet you too.
From your face, your plastic bag was just taken away.
Yes, it was, but it's great that your school practices eco-friendliness to help the environment.
光是一个塑胶袋就让这两人聊了老半天。校长，我们还是快点切入主题吧。
By the way, you are invited to climb trees to feel the forest school in the city.
I'm excited.
Wow.
And your bag for your book.
Wow, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So,
Okay, you can go with me. Okay, let's go. It's our coach and it's our teacher.
Hello.
Okay.
What class is it? Because I designed a course and talking about rainforest conservation. So they try to cut in tree and cut tree, and there will be many comes to the nature. Yeah. Yes. You want to try?
yes, I love it.
Okay.
听完介绍后，我们的阿豆老师也要来踹踹这个爬树课。教练，你要把设备绑紧呢，要是阿豆老师摔下来，等等就没办法帮同学上课了。体验过爬树，现在要去教室上课啦。
This is the class you have the class today.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, sir. Hi.
Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're so happy that we can have a friend coming from Belize. She's a scholarship student coming from Belize, and right now she's working on her master's degree in Zhengzhi University. So let's give her a big hand.
哦吼！没想到我们的英文老师的英文这么标准。要是阿龙以前的 English 也这么棒，现在就不会只会在那边 How are you? Fine, thank you and you 啦。接下来我们的阿豆老师就要开始跟大家介绍他的国家贝里斯。贝里斯位于中美洲，是墨西哥跟瓜地马拉的邻居。不过老师说，贝里斯因为历史的因素，不像周边的阿密古一样讲西班牙文，而是以英文为官方语言。此外，贝里斯也是中美洲人口最多元的国家，有玛雅人、德国人、印度人、马斯提佐人等等哦。在贝里斯甚至还有台湾人的社区，所以在那边讲台语嘛会通呢。也因为贝里斯多元的文化，让贝里斯拥有多样的美食。讲到贝里斯的食物，有一样可是我们蔡总统的心头好哦。
Here we have all of our food. It's a bit weird to not eat it with spice. And one of our major icons in Belize is, and here we have your current president. When she visited Belize, she actually mentioned that one of her favorite things at Belize was our pepper sauce. Pepper sauce.
本节目由赞助播出。
介绍完贝里斯，老师现在要教同学一个很特殊的语言。
Actually, now I want to share a little bit of Creole words with you guys. So, for example, girl is gyal. Gyal. Boy is boy. Boy. So, girl come here would be gyal koya. Gyal koya.
学完克里奥语的基础发音后，老师接下来要带同学唱一首歌。
And we're going to do it might sound difficult, but it's a traditional song. This song is actually talking about a dory. A dory is like a canoe. And in this song, the old man's canoe, or dory, has a hole. So this song, we'll just do one line. Mr. Martin, have a leak your dory, kill and bell until it get dry. It's long.
现在老师要请同学站起来，边唱边跳啦。
So Mr. Martin, have a leak your dory, kill and bell until it get dry. Okay. Have a leak your dory, kill and bell until it get dry. Thank you guys, thank you. It's a really nice place to visit, really laid back, and thank you all for your attention, for having me as your guest speaker or 1 hour teacher today. You guys have been really nice and I felt welcome in your class. Thank you very much.
不过我们阿多老师今天的任务还没结束，因为听说贝里斯有一项历史悠久的划船比赛，我们阿多老师说他小时候也参加过。所以现在要带阿豆老师去跟划船队的同学较量一下。
She is Kendra, come from Belize.
Belize. Bailey.
So you guys should say.
Nice to meet you.
Great. Nice to meet you.
Repeat.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Oh.
Nice to meet you. About why I'm here today is a competition, one of the hardest competition in the world, La Ruta Maya River Challenge. So it's the route along the rivers that the Maya people, indigenous people of Belize, would take to go from all the way west of Belize to the sea to trade. Now this challenge was created in 1995 to promote protecting and clean rivers. And now it's a huge challenge because I know you compete with rowing. So I would like to learn how you guys row so you can teach me and maybe I can try to compete with you guys.
不过在比赛之前，还是要请教练教一下正确的划船姿势，站起来才不会受伤呢。
很简单的一个one step， 腰 two， 膝盖，3，1、2、3、2、1 ，OK， 然后1进去，1、2、3收，3、2、1 ，OK。
看完同学示范，接下来就让我们的阿豆老师先练习一下。
1、2、3。
哦，苏巴拉西！阿豆老师果然是有划过船的人，一下就上手啦。
然后我们现在练习好了，我们现在来分组进行比赛。然后第一组，校长队。第二组黑球队，上面队，比赛规则我们用每人距离200，总共1400的距离，然后200公尺里面前后50公尺，劝举交换 ，OK。
老师讲解完比赛规则后，紧张的比赛马上就要开始了。
警告！
虽然我们阿豆老师没有得到冠军，但没关系，校长还是准备了礼物要感谢老师今天来上课啦。
We have a certificate. Certificate. I see the word. This is the certificate for Kendra. Kendra? Yes. Thank you.
So this concludes my day at Samin Gaojang. I came in with the idea of presenting them with a bit of Belizean culture, Belizean dances, and just some history about Belize. And I can say that these kids were amazing. They had already done some research about Belize, which made me super excited when I got into the classroom, seeing all the pictures of food, and it made me miss home a little. I participated in the rowing competition, which is not as easy as it looks. And in regards to that, the kids are like powerhouses. It was amazing to see how fast they could do this, how well trained they were. It was really cool. And I just had a really great time at this senior high school, and I would love to do it again. The experience was amazing. Sharing Belize, learning about Taiwan, learning a new sport, and realizing and sharing the Ruta Maya as well, which was like a good correlation between Belize and Taiwan. And I am just happy to have been a part of this project, and it's been amazing. A thank you to Taiwan ICDF.
今天非常欢迎 Kendra 来到我们学校。那其实我们学校是一所国际教育特色学校，平常我们就有国际交流的机会。那我觉得很难得的经验，他来到这里，让我们的孩子可以更多的体验跟外国人对话的这样胆量跟机会。当然也可以借这个机会认识到他所介绍的贝里斯的这个La Ruta Maya 的 River Challenge。那我觉得今天也利用这个机会介绍一下我们森林学校里面跟别人不一样的地方。那体育班是我们学校一大特色。那其中呢，这个西华是我们学校的一个很大的特色，刚好也跟这个 La Ruta Maya 的这个竞赛是有相似的。那我觉得今天 Kendra 来，我相信他一定也有很棒的经验跟我们同学互动。那也感谢他来，让我们孩子也有机会认识这样的一个这个竞赛的运动型的活动，来扩展孩子的视野，更叫孩子认识贝里斯在哪里，贝里斯的国家跟文化。对，非常感谢有这样的机会。
今天这堂课很感谢来自那个贝里斯的 Kendra 老师，就是他带给我很不一样的一堂课。然后就是我们之前在地理课的时候，有先老师有叫我们大家在网络上先搜寻一下关于贝里斯的景点啊、文化，然后美食之类的。然后呢，我们有先了解一下。可是今天听到的东西就是跟事先了解的好像有一点点不一样，因为我们今天他有讲到了关于他们贝里斯的传统节庆，然后传统食物跟文化，然后还有一些传统的衣服，然后就是让我认知到了更多的东西，然后也很谢谢他。
这次英文课就跟平常的英文课整个很不一样，平常课本就是比较死板一点，可是这次Kendra老师来我们学校来带的课，就是教了贝里斯的文化那些的，我真的觉得蛮酷的。
今天感谢 Kendra 老师为我们带来贝里斯的文化分享，其中令我印象最深刻的大概就是在种族文化这一块，因为其实 Kendra 老师在分享这一块的时候有说到贝里斯这个国家有很多种族，像是有什么像是有亚洲人啊，还有一些玛雅原始的人啊，然后还有一些 Indians， 所以我觉得他们贝里斯在做种族这一块是非常成功的。因为其实我们就举个例子来讲，就像你看美国就是有白人跟黑人，然后通常黑人都是备受歧视的，可是我觉得贝里斯这个国家可以把那么多种族融合在一起，却又没有常常衍生出一些冲突，所以我觉得这点非常不容易。